Do you feel nervous at the airport? Don't worry. Today, you will speak English with confidence at the airport. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to EasyTalk English.
Hi, I feel nervous at the airport. So many questions.
That's okay, Adam. You are not alone. Many people feel the same. Today, we will learn simple English for the airport.
Great, I want to travel and speak English.
Perfect. By the end of this video, you will confidently use airport phrases like a pro. Let's start step by step. Imagine you are at the airport. First, you go to the check-in desk. I have a flight to London. Repeat after me.
I have a flight to London.
Good. Here is my passport. Repeat after me.
Here is my passport.
Good. The second step is boarding pass. The staff will give you a boarding pass. You can ask, "Where is my gate?" Repeat after me.
Where is my gate?
Excellent. The third step, luggage. If you have bags, you can say, "I have one bag. Is this overweight? Is this overweight?" Repeat after me.
I have one bag. Is this overweight?
Always be polite, smile and say please. Now passport control, they may ask,
Where are you going?
I am going to Paris.
the fifth step, security check. At security can say,
Put your bag here. Take off your shoes.
Oh no, my shoes.
"Yes, Adam, it's normal." Finally, boarding time. Now boarding, Sarah, show your boarding pass. There is real-life conversation. Let's practice a real situation.
Hello, where are you flying?
I am flying to Dubai.
May I see your passport?
Yes, here is my passport.
Do you have any luggage?
Yes, I have one bag.
Great, here is your boarding pass, gate 12.
Thank you, where is gate 12?
Go straight, then turn left.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, have a nice flight.
Now it's your turn, speak with me, repeat after me. I have a flight to London.
I have a flight to London.
Here is my passport.
Here is my passport.
Where is my gate?
Where is my gate?
I have one bag.
I have one bag.
Thank you very much. Great job, you sound amazing. Let's check your understanding. Questions. Question number 1. What do you say at check-in?
I have a flight to.
Good, now you answer in the comments. Question number 2. What do you show at the airport?
Passport.
Question number 3. How do you ask about your gate? Write your answers in the comments. I will read them. Let's review our key phrases. I have a flight to. Here is my passport. Where is my gate? I have one bag. Is this overweight? I am going to. May I see your passport? Put your bag here. Show your boarding pass. Thank you very much.
Wow, I feel ready to travel now.
Did you enjoy this lesson? Like this video. Comment your answers. Subscribe for more easy English lessons.
And tell us, where do you want to travel?
See you in the next lesson. Bye, thank you very much.